Most people get this wrong when they start trading. They think any app with charts and buy buttons is enough to make money in Forex or stocks. But here's the truth no one tells you. The trading app you choose can completely change your results, even if your strategy is the same. Because in trading, execution speed, fees, tools, and reliability matter just as much as timing. And in this video, you are going to discover the 7 best trading apps for Forex and stock exchange in 2026. How each one actually works in real life, and which one fits your level, whether you are a complete beginner or someone trying to trade professionally. And stay with me, because in a few minutes I'll also show you the hidden mistakes most beginners make when choosing a trading app. Mistakes that silently drain their money without them even realizing it. Now let's get started. Trading has changed a lot. A few years ago, you needed a desktop platform, a broker phone call, or complicated software. Today, everything is in your pocket. But here's the problem. This convenience creates confusion. Beginners download random apps, see charts moving, and assume they are ready to trade. Then they lose money and blame the market. In reality, the problem was never the market. It was the platform. So let's break this down in a simple, practical way. We start with the first app. The first trading app is eToro. eToro is one of the most popular social trading platforms in the world. It supports both stocks and Forex trading, and what makes it unique is copy trading. Now here's where it gets interesting. Instead of figuring everything out yourself, you can actually copy experienced traders automatically. So if a professional trader buys Apple stock or trades EUR to USD, your account mirrors their moves. For someone like Alex, who is just starting and feels overwhelmed by charts, this is a huge advantage. But here's the problem. Copy trading is not magic. If you blindly follow the wrong trader, you can still lose money. So eToro is powerful, but it still requires judgment. Think of it like learning to drive by sitting next to an expert driver. You still need to understand what is happening. Now let's move to the second app. That is MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. These are not just apps. They are industry standards in Forex trading. Almost every serious Forex trader in the world has used MetaTrader at some point. Now here's what makes it special. MetaTrader gives you full control. You can analyze charts, use indicators, automate trading with bots, and execute trades directly with brokers. For example, imagine Jake wants to trade EUR USD based on technical signals. On MetaTrader he can use moving averages, SI indicators, and even set automated entries and exits. Now here's where it gets interesting. MetaTrader is not beginner-friendly in the traditional sense. It is powerful, but it assumes you are willing to learn. So if you want simplicity, this may feel complex at first. But if you want professional-level control, this is one of the strongest tools available. Now let's move to the third app. That is TradingView.ai. TradingView is not a broker. It is a charting and analysis platform. But it plays a massive role in trading success. Because here's the truth. Most traders lose money not because they cannot trade, but because they cannot analyze properly. TradingView solves that. It gives you advanced charts, indicators, drawing tools, and even community trade ideas. So let's say John wants to understand why Tesla stock is rising. On TradingView, he can analyze trends, compare timeframes, and study market sentiment all in one place. But here's the catch. You don't execute trades directly in most cases. Instead, you connect it to a broker or use it for analysis only. So TradingView is your planning tool, not your execution tool. Now let's move to the fourth app. That is Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is one of the most respected trading platforms in the world. It supports stocks, Forex, ETFs, futures, and more. It is widely used by professional traders and institutions. Now here's where it gets interesting. The biggest advantage of Interactive Brokers is access to global markets. You are not limited to one country or one exchange. So if you are in India, the US, or Europe, you can still access thousands of financial instruments. But here's the problem. The platform is not designed for beginners. It can feel overwhelming because it is built for serious traders. So, if you are just starting, you may need time to adjust. Now let's move to the fifth app. That is Robinhood. Robinhood became famous for making stock trading simple and commission-free. And this simplicity is its biggest strength. You can buy stocks like Apple, Amazon, or Google in just a few taps. For someone like Lisa, who just wants to invest small amounts without complications, Robinhood feels very friendly. Now here's where it gets interesting. Robinhood is great for simplicity, but it has limitations in advanced tools compared to professional platforms. So it is perfect for beginners, but not ideal for advanced Forex trading. Now let's move to the sixth app. That is EG Trading. EG is one of the oldest and most trusted trading platforms globally, especially for Forex and CFDs. It offers advanced charting tools, tight spreads, and professional execution speed. Now here's the important part. During high volatility moments, like economic news releases, execution speed matters a lot. EG is known for handling those conditions well. So if Jake is trading during major events like interest rate announcements, I gives him stability and reliability. But here's the catch. It is not the simplest platform for beginners. It is powerful but requires some learning. Now let's move to the seventh and final app. That is Plus 500. Plus 500 is a CFD trading platform that is known for its simplicity and clean interface. You can trade Forex, stocks, commodities, and indices easily. Now here's what makes it stand out. Everything is simplified. No complex dashboards. No confusing layouts. Just basic buy and sell functions with risk management tools. For beginners, this is attractive. But here's the problem. Because it is so simple, some users underestimate risk. Trading CFDs still involves leverage, which can increase both gains and losses. So simplicity should not be confused with safety. Now let's step back and compare everything in a clear way. If you are a complete beginner, apps like Robinhood or Plus 500 are easier to start with. If you want social learning, eToro is useful. If you want professional Forex trading, MetaTrader is essential. If you want advanced analysis, TradingView is necessary. If you want global access and institutional-grade tools, Interactive Brokers is powerful. And if you want stability and reliability in active trading, IG is one of the strongest choices. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They focus only on the app interface, instead of understanding what the app is designed for. A beginner uses a professional tool and feels lost. A professional uses a beginner tool and feels limited. So the key is alignment. Your app should match your skill level, not your curiosity. Now let's make this simple. If you are just starting, focus on learning first, not chasing profits. Use demo accounts where possible. Practice reading charts. Understand risk. Because in trading, the goal is not just to enter the market. The goal is to stay in the market long enough to improve. Now let's quickly summarize everything. eToro is social copy trading. MetaTrader is professional Forex execution. TradingView is analysis. Interactive Brokers is global professional trading. Robinhood is simple stock investing. EG is advanced Forex and CFD trading. Plus 500 is simple CFD trading. Each one has a purpose. None of them are best for everyone. The real advantage comes when you choose the right tool for your goal. And if you remember one thing from this video, remember this. Successful trading is not about finding the perfect app. It is about mastering the app you choose. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video so more people can understand trading apps without confusion. And comment below which app you are currently using or planning to try. It helps others learn from real experiences. And if you want more simple breakdowns on trading, investing, and financial tools, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Because the more you understand your tools, the better your trading decisions become.